Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Kailina if you guys are new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this very glamorous, very glowy, very sparkly holiday look. I am wearing my new MAC Viva Glam Keith Haring t-shirt. We just got our new Viva Glam lipsticks in the primary colors blue, red, and yellow. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out maccosmetics.com. Check your local counters, your local stores. So this is actually my second time filming this video. I tried to film it yesterday and then for whatever reason I lost motivation. So here we are again today with the same look, which actually I feel like this second time around I actually perfected. With that being said, if you are interested in this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I pretty much did all of my face and my hair off camera just because I did want to save some time. It is currently 9:38 and I have to leave the house by 10:20, so let's go ahead and try to get this makeup look done. So the first thing we're going to go in with is Gingerly Blush by MAC Cosmetics. This is a refill pan and I have not bought the actual palette yet to put it in. Normally I would not put on any full face makeup for work just because we wear a mask all the time, but today, since I'm making a video and I need some content, I was like, why not? Okay, so I fixed my bed in the back just so you guys don't have to look at that mess. Now we're gonna go in with Whisper of Gilt Highlight by MAC Cosmetics. I sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush and we are just gonna blend that in. Okay, now that we have a little bit of highlight on, I'm gonna go in with She Sparkles Dazzle Shadow by MAC Cosmetics. I'm just gonna use this to make it even brighter. I really like my highlight to pop. That's really bright, but that's kind of cute. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Chocolates by Juvia's palette. I'm gonna use these three shades right here. Let me just zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see. Look at that highlight though, it is glowing. Actually, before we start eyeshadow, I'm just skipping ahead because I feel like I'm running out of time. We're gonna go ahead and use the MAC Cosmetics 24-hour extended eye cream, and this will help keep the eyeshadow in place and last all day. Taking the light shade, I'm just gonna blend it all in. It really doesn't matter if you get any on the lid because we're gonna make a cut crease anyway. And what I like to do with my eyeshadow is I always like to drag it out. I'm not the kind of person that likes to use tape really. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the darker shade in the same palette and we're gonna try to keep it beneath that color that we used. And it doesn't really have to look super pretty as long as you can see the two colors. Now that we have those colors blended in, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Semi Sweet x9 palette by MAC Cosmetics. We're probably going to use Outer, Mocha Minded, and Carbon. I'm going to take a little bit of the Outer and just blend that in here. Mocha Minded. Keep in mind that I'm literally using just one brush and just starting with the lighter shades and going in with the darker ones and then just dragging them out. So I'm going to go ahead and keep blending this more and more. If you guys would like to skip to the next part, you're more than welcome to. If you like seeing the blending process, then keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Orange by MAC Cosmetics. I don't know if they make this eyeshadow anymore. I don't think so. But they do have another one. I forget what the name is called. But you can pretty much just use any orange eyeshadow. We're gonna go ahead and put some eyeshadow beneath our waterline here and then also fill in the waterline. For the waterline, I'm going to be using Essence in Silky Nude Eye Pencil. You guys can get this from Ulta, I believe $3, $4. Okay, so since I don't want to waste any brushes or actually clean any brushes, I'm going to be using the same brush. We're going to hold it flat like this. Since I cannot find my P. Louise Rumor 2 base, which is what I normally use for my cut creases, I'm going to go ahead and use my NARS concealer. So normally I'd like to start right here, which is the inner corner of the eye. I kind of try to follow the shape of my actual crease. Sometimes I'll go a little bit higher, It has really good coverage, but it's so soft and creamy that it's not really gonna make a sharp edge. I'm actually going to go ahead and go in with the Too Faced glitter glue. I have had this since I was like maybe 15 or 16 years old, but I promise it works. We're going to go ahead and just pat it on a little bit on our crease here, just to get that glue working. And I'm not gonna drag it or swipe it because I don't want to take away from the concealer. For the glitter, I'm gonna be using the MAC Cosmetics Absolute Gold glitter. Honestly, I don't think that they make this one anymore either, but they do have a gold glitter. You can use pretty much any glitter. Dab a little bit into the glitter and then pat it on. So you definitely will get a lot of fallout with the glitter. Get a clean brush, this one, and I just wipe off the excess product if you can. Now we're actually going to go in with Carbon eyeshadow. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, outline beneath the waterline here. And now we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Black Gel Liner and use a MAC 263 angled brush. And we're not going to do a full liner, we're just going to do just a small tad. And I'm also going to put just a little bit on the bottom of my lash line. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara. I literally have 15 minutes before I have to go, so hopefully I can make a quick intro. So I'm going to use the tip of the mascara to kind of give it that thicker look. And to do the final touch of the eyes, I am going to be putting on my Tatti TL Jamie 2 lashes. Okay, so now that we have our eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Cork lip liner by MAC Cosmetics. To finish off my lips, I'm going to go in with Boy Bait. I know I'm going to be wearing a mask at work, so I'm probably going to take this off after the video. Oh, I almost forgot. I do want to put on a little bit of She Sparkles underneath my brow bone. That is just to top it all off. Okay. Oh no, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. I was like, wait, I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, so I am missing something. So I'm actually gonna use the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna go in with Steampunk, which is kind of like this goldish. We're gonna use that for the inner corner of our eyes. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't get any in my eyeballs, but we're gonna use this for the inner corner. Okay, so I think this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it through the entire video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what video you guys want to see next. I hope you guys have a great day. Let all the opportunities come to you, and I will see you in my next video. See you later.